Every strategy suitability index is a score over 100. The higher the score, the more suitable the property market is for that strategy. Now, the Develop strategy is a score given to a property market to indicate its potential to buy properties appropriate for development. Every strategy suitability index at its core is based on the demand to supply ratio. However, the final score has been adjusted to favour markets more likely to deliver on this specific strategy. There must be ample stock on market to find a block to develop. Not all properties for sale are developable, so markets with more stock are favoured. Now, this is not to be confused with percentage stock on market, which reflects supply. Oversupply from other developers competing in the same market will ruin this strategy, so investors must check for a low percentage of stock on market. Market cycle timing is very important. You don't want to enter a market with high demand and supply that is about to run out of puff too soon, and this is especially important given the time it takes to develop a block. You want more time ahead of you rather than behind you. Healthy potential for the ripple effect to benefit the market can also reduce the risk. And you also want a healthy number of potential buyers searching online compared to properties available for sale. So online search interest has a higher weighting in this score.